Hey 8th graders, back again with some order of operations problems. Let's just get started right away. Up here on the right, we're going to look and we see that we have a grouping symbol for absolute values. So we're going to simplify that piece out first. So this absolute value of -9 is +9. Now notice there's no operation between 2 and the absolute value sign. That means it's going to be multiplication. All right, so it's going to be 2 times 9 here. So we have 14 divided by 7 plus 2 times 9. Next in the order of operations is exponents. There aren't any. So we're going to work with the multiplication division, working left to right. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 plus 18 is 20. Okay, continuing to work on those order of operations. A few more here. I would suggest that you pause the video and try each of these on your own first. Then come back to the video and see how your answers and my answers agree. Okay? Keep it in mind that I'm human, so I may have made a mistake. I'm going to try to be really careful so I don't. I'm going to take my time and I'm going to check my work. All right? So if you want to pause now, try them. Then come back and let's compare answers, okay? So here we go. Pause. All right, now we're back. So here we go. Absolute value is a grouping symbol. We're going to simplify the stuff inside of it first. The stuff, that's really like a technical term. -2 plus 8 is 6. We have the absolute value of 6, which is 6. Notice I did not turn the 2 positive. We don't turn the 2 positive. We take that sum and then take the absolute value of that. The second one, we have a grouping symbol. It's called a fraction bar, and we're going to work on the numerator first, denominator second, and then simplify. So I've got 4 plus 2 times -1. So 2 times -1, we're going to do that first. That's -2. 4 plus -2 is 2. So my numerator is 2. Now what I want to do is work with my denominator. So 4 squared, that means 4 times 4. When you have a squared, what that means is you take the base, which is the bigger number. Remember that technical term? The bigger number. And then you multiply that out. So this is 4 times 4. That's 16. 16 minus 2 times 5. I do the multiplication before I do the subtraction. So that's 10. 16 minus 10 is 6. My fraction is 2/6. Now guess what? We always simplify in here. You've practiced simplifying fractions. Again, it was a while ago, so I'm going to refresh your memory on it. If there's a number that you can divide out of both the numerator and the denominator, you need to do that. We're always going to write our answers in simplified form. That's the sign of a really solid math student, and you can do this. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 1/3 is my answer. The next one over. This means, this is new. So tune in. If you're kind of doing something else right now, tune back into here, okay? So this we haven't seen before. That means we're going to take whatever the absolute value is and take the negative of it, okay? So the absolute value of 5 is 5. I'm going to bring down the negative sign, and my final answer is going to be -5. Again, we take the value of the absolute value quantity, so 5, and we're going to bring down the negative, so we're at -5. -5. Over here, we see some brackets, exponents, parentheses. We got it all on this one. So I'm going to start with the brackets, and I'm going to go to the most inside part of those brackets. So right now, I'm going to do the 3 and the 2 first. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 15 minus bracket 10 plus 1 squared bracket plus 6. So what I'm doing is I'm writing the entire problem, changing each step as I go. Okay? Ooh, I see an exponent. Better take care of that. 1 squared means 1 times 1, which is 1. So I have 15 minus bracket 10 plus 1 bracket plus 6. Next step, keep working in those brackets. Keep working on those grouping symbols. 10 plus 1 is 11. 15 minus 11 plus 6. Work left to right now. Addition and subtraction left to right. 15 minus 11 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay? We threw a lot at you in this problem. We think you're going to be able to get yourself to get to a problem like that. I really believe that you can do this work. Take your time, refer back to the order of operations, and work through it step by step by step. And again, we really don't want you using a calculator through this process. So keep that in mind, please. All right, looking at the next one, 9 minus 4 plus 6. We're going to work left to right, starting with our subtraction. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. All right, and that's it for the order of operations today. The next thing we're going to look at is evaluating expressions, which is going to be using the order of operations. All right, any questions, message me on Schoology. Let me know. If you're in class, ask me. I'll be happy to help you out. All right, take care.